Hi, my name is Milena and I'm a senior esthetician here at 11 Harley Street. I've been with the clinic and Dr. Yanis for over 8 years now, and I do all the non-surgical treatments in the clinic, like clear lift, like accent for skin tightening, like IPL for pigmentation. Also help people go on a proper skincare regime to maximize any results from any non-surgical treatments or after surgery, or just to maintain healthy skin. Start at least with a proper skincare routine to slow down and to minimize the signs of aging. The younger we are, the less intervention we will need. We'll need milder treatments, not so frequently. But the older we get, the frequency of the treatment should increase if we want to have maximum results and keep our skin looking young. A person should always have in their skincare routine at least 3 products, something to cleanse the skin with without drying the skin. They should have a retinol product and a moisturizer packed with peptides. These are a must-have in your skincare routine if you would like to slow down the aging and neutralize free radical damage.